Aloha guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Mermaid Nina here. We are in line for the bus at Magic Kingdom. What should we do today? Luckily I did get a boarding group for Tron, so that's definitely on the list. But let's go check out Magic Kingdom. Alright, Magic Kingdom time. We came out here and there was a huge line, probably 3 busfuls. Got Magic Kingdom bus right there. So I don't know if you guys can tell where we are. We just got off the bus. They have this huge long line to get through security. In fact, it was so weird that all of us bypassed the line to try to figure out what the heck, if it was an actual line or people just standing. I don't even know. Turns out it's a line. We're all trying to get in through security. We just got off the bus. It's going all the way around. Kind of interesting considering it's low crowds, right? As you can see, all the people are going all the way around, but we'll get in. And despite all my best efforts, I got dinged here in security, so there's quite a long line to get checked, but between fans and water bottles and cameras and backup batteries, who knows what I got dinged for, but just a little bit delay, but we are here for early morning magic hours, so yeah, let's go do that once I get through security, right? Try again. I'm here, Magic Kingdom, woohoo! It is all decorated for the Halloween party, so even if you don't come to the party, you can still see the pumpkins and the decorations and all the good stuff. But yeah, we're here for early morning hours, so let's see what we can do. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty Main Street looks. I love holidays at Magic Kingdom, don't you guys? They're just extra special decorations. Just make it so amazing. And there she is, Cinderella's castle. She is without the 50th, because that celebration has been over for a while. But look at all the pumpkins and the fall colors. So pretty. The Mickey pumpkins are my favorite. But yeah, let's go explore Magic Kingdom. There she is in all her glory. Pretty, pretty. But I've been told we're going to Tomorrowland, so let's go. When I'm here with other people, I don't always get to say what we're doing. I just kind of go with the crowd, right? So I'm being told Tomorrowland, so that's where I'm headed. All right, Tomorrowland, USA. Okay, I don't know if it's really called USA, but I like to add USA to all the lands. You know, Main Street, USA, might as well be Tomorrowland, USA. Doesn't look super packed yet, but I heard Buzz Lightyear's 5 minutes, so maybe we'll go on that. All right, Buzz Lightyear, walk on. Again, we're early morning right now, so everything's kind of walk on.
Nefarious criminal, a sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Sir.
Alright, apparently they just called our group 1 through 12. So on we go. Being the first boarding group is there's no line here. Throughout the day, this all gets filled with people and you're kind of waiting in the sun. But if you can just get it done as soon as the park opens, I mean, look, we're just walking on. By the way, the queue for Tron was open for at least 20 minutes. After 7:20, I stopped checking, but this doesn't appear to be the hit ride as it was once projected. Guardians of the Galaxy was gone in seconds, but Tron was still available for at least 20 minutes. Here's the ride vehicle. You guys can see my other video where I actually test that out. But yeah, let's get some Tron on, huh?
Make sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times.
Right now, but this is where they go.
All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker portal, tap your digital
Here it goes. Look, they don't even have both sides going right now, just the one side. Alright, 55 minutes. That's pretty good actually, but we got a lightning lane, so let's do that. Of course, as you go through the exit or the lightning lane, you can see Snow White's cottage up here. Alright, in case you want a little update of the sweat factor, I've been here 1 hour. I've done 3 rides. I am dripping. I've been dripping for a while. I do have a fan here pointed at my face. Haven't quite yet gotten out the cooling towel, but I mean the drips are happening. It's spicy out here right now. Like I said, I've only been at it an hour, but we're gonna go do hopefully Winnie the Pooh, maybe Peter Pan, Small World. We're gonna knock out Fantasyland until we dig deeper into the park. So let's go. All right, because we're in the area, and like I said in my video, you just want to go from ride to ride to ride and not be making decisions. So here we go, Winnie the Pooh, 10 minutes. We're just trying to do the things to get in shade and air conditioning. That's the goal.
One day, on the neighborhood, the East Wind traded places.
If you ask me, you'll never reach that.
Look who I found on the carousel. She's over there signing autographs. So cute. I wonder if her sister's on here too. Oh, she must be.
We're not going anywhere.
I'm so sorry. Cracks me up. All right, let's do Peter Pan. It's 40 minutes, which is not bad for Peter Pan. So let's go.
Off to Neverland.
this empty space, this is not normal, guys. This is low crowds. I cannot say this enough. It seemed like a lot of crowds when we were going through security, but this is ridiculous. Small world is walk on. There's like no one in my path, no one, I'm running into anybody. Crazy. But we're gonna do small world because we're here. 5 minutes, guys. Let's just do it. When it's this hot, just to avoid staying in the hot sun. So let's go.
With foolish delight.
It's the beginning of lunchtime, and there is no one here. We're headed to Frontierland to do pirates, and then we're gonna do jungle, and then we're gonna have lunch, but it's like empty here, guys. It's very strange. All right, we're in Frontierland now, and it's just odd. But yeah, low crowds, guys. Now's the time to go to Disney. All right, guys, here's a good look at Splash Mountain. When will I stop calling it Splash Mountain? I don't know. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Looks like we've got the water tower here, complete with tiara. That's pretty cool. Still got some scrim up. A lot of construction going on. Yeah, it's coming along. All right, we're here for Pirates. 30 minutes. Telling you guys, this is easily a 60+ minute ride. So yeah, let's get our pirate on. To Jungle Cruise, only 45 minutes. This is amazing. It's usually 65+ minute wait.
Now, right over here is Inspiration Falls. Now, I know you're all wondering the same exact thing. Different Matt, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? Well, because the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go. Birthday all over again. Maybe something scared them off. Anybody see anything that might have scared them off? So how to say skip a Felix? Nothing. Nothing. best memory out of any animal in the entire world. Wish I had a memory like that. It really helped with my job. Aww, look at those babies bathing under a full moon. Oh, it's adorable. And in broad daylight, you can catch that little nothing. 3, 1, 2, 3. George, take the picture. I love it. He's not so bad, but it's okay. We don't pay him. He just does it for the exposure.
These humans are not American humans. They are not. It's and then into the rock, very human form. Oh my goodness! You don't even need a map to go around the world. Ah! Thank you!
All right, we're back. I know I didn't post earlier. We had to take a midday break. I wasn't feeling so hot, not really sure. Could be slightly dehydrated from the black belt test or other issues going on, so I had to take a rest, but now we're back at it. We have a big day tomorrow, so I didn't want to push it too hard on day one, you guys know? But let's go back to Magic Kingdom. We're gonna try Big Thunder, Haunted Mansion, we got dinner reservations, so many things. All right, Big Thunder, 20 minutes. When does that ever happen? My word. Let's go on Big Thunder. Again, what do you guys think? 20 minutes. We're just killing time before dinner.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tune. Please remain seated in your doom buggy.
I did.
All right, we found dinner, Liberty Tree Tavern. Because crowds are so low, we actually made this reservation last night. We decided we did not want to stand out in the sun all day. So here we go.
Hi! On this, we have to make sure
Alright, here's the regular salad over here at Liberty Tree Tavern. And then some garlic bread with garlic butter, yum, yum, yum. And then here's the allergy edition here. We got a special dressing without honey. And then just dairy-free butter on our garlic bread. So we're gonna dig in. All right, here's the standard platter here. It's very much Thanksgiving. What is that? Turkey, roast beef. And we got some stuffing, some taters, pork, green beans, some jam in there. We got mac and cheese, and of course some gravy. All right, this is the vegan platter for my allergies. So we got the meatloaf, the potatoes, the green beans, and since I can't have the gravy, he whipped up some curry for me. So we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, this is the food here at Liberty Tree. All right, here's the regular dessert, ooey gooey chocolate toffee cake or something of the sorts. Look at that, it's just dripping all over the place. All right, and this is the vegan option here, which is perfect for my allergies. It's like the Johnny applesauce cake, so it's an applesauce cake. with some coconut whipped cream on top. Can't wait to dig in. All right, we just got through with our dinner, and I couldn't really talk because there was it was kind of loud in there, but it was so good. Every single time I eat at Liberty Tree Tavern, my tummy just leaves completely full. They practically had to wheelchair me out of there. So good. Chef Al rocked it out. In fact, he remembered me from last time and even remembered my family, and he ran to the back to get out the chef card that I had given him previously, and it was just so sweet. Absolutely great food if you like Christmas meal, Thanksgiving type food. It's absolutely delicious. The staff is amazing. They actually told me that Liberty Tree Tavern is the #1 most like comeback repeat meal. So out of all the meals on property, this is the one location people will purposely repeat and keep coming back to. I thought that was pretty amazing. So yeah, I can always recommend Liberty Tree Tavern, especially if you love, you know, chicken and turkey and stuffing and all the fixins. And the vegan dish was so good. The mashed potatoes were so yummy. The meatloaf was so moist. Absolutely delicious. But yeah, that was our dinner over at Liberty Tree Tavern. We're gonna kick over to a few more rides because the waits are super low, and then we're hoping fireworks, guys, happily ever after. So come with, let's enjoy Magic Kingdom in the evening. All right, Jungle Cruise. Now my partner in crime over here tells me it's better at night. We're gonna fight to see, is Jungle Cruise better at night or during the day? Let me know in the comments, because we may have a fight on our hands deciding. But yep, 40 minutes, let's go.
About elephants, guys. I am so sorry about that, guys. You know what? It's fine. You'll get this one in front of the head. Guys will like, they all had their trunks on. It was perfectly fine. And, oh wow, look at this. Now, if you guys look right over here, you guys gonna see, two baby elephants. Now, looks like they are, bathing underneath a full moon. I know, very breathtaking, isn't it? And
Spectacular, happily ever after. Presented by Pandora Jewelry. Our journey begins in just 10 minutes. Thank you.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic. Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. We will draw you in. Watch the moment unfold. Opportunity that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take.
than fireworks. Now this is everyone leaving at the same time.
Have a magical night.
Bumper traffic here. Watch out for strollers and scooters.
Folks, if you're staying at a Disney resort, your Disney buses are as you exit all the way down to your left. If you drove today.
All right, guys, that's it for me. That was a fun night at Magic Kingdom. Mostly went for dinner and fireworks, popped in a few rides, could not believe the wait times. They were so low. What did we do? Jungle Cruise, Haunted Mansion. We ate at Liberty Tree. It was so good. And I'm so happy Happily Ever After is back. But did you notice? No Tinkerbell. So find that a little odd. Perhaps she was hanging out with Peter Pan or something tonight. She didn't show up. Not sure what's going on with Tink, but it was an absolute fabulous evening at Magic Kingdom. But I don't know if you guys can tell, it's super hot, even into the evening, to the point where after the fireworks, what, 9:30 or so, we just said, we're done. We're done. I was dripping in sweat, had to wipe the sweat off. I had my fan. It was a hot mess, but it was a fun hot mess. So that's the thing about summer is, yes, it's hot, brutal hot. I am not gonna lie to you guys, but the crowds were so low that you are getting that different benefit, right? So you're hot, but you're able to go on more rides, right? So it's kind of like equals out maybe. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Would you rather go when it's cold, but you have longer crowds, right? More waits like at Christmas time? Or would you rather go in the summer where it's hot, but you have low waits? Let me know what you think in the comments. Either way, guys, we had a fabulous evening at Magic Kingdom. Absolutely love Liberty Tree Tavern. Love the rides, love the fireworks. OMG, such a good night. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If the subscribe button is red, please click it, turn it gray, hit the bell icon for notifications. Like this video, pretty please. Share if you can. And yeah, mahalo for watching, guys. Nina, out.